This is a really heavy rain, man. Can't believe it. Wow. And today's a definitely heavy rainy day, man. It's raining everywhere today. Yeah. I'm heading to somewhere really quick. See, just rainy. These days rainy season in Korea, you know, it could be rainy anytime, so always you must grab your umbrella anywhere you go. Oh, they have a construction here. Wow. It's really, really heavy raining everywhere. I'm heading to bank. I need to figure out something about for my bank because I'm planning to travel soon. I'm traveling for for vlogging. I'm about to travel a few countries nearby Korea. I'm about to visit the bank to check out my bank, Wow, shoe right there. It's just raining days and really heavy raining. There are food shop here. Wow, see, it's just raining. I'm gonna need to go that way. Yeah, Sharp YouTube family. Today just really walk off from my neighborhood because I'm heading to the bank. Maybe at probably 300 centimeters from here. So that's it, and it's really rainy. There is no choice. I have to go to the bank, and from here, from the bank, I'm planning to go. If the rain is gonna stop, I will be in Myeongdong. Probably today I will be in Myeongdong, but right now it's still rainy. After bank, I will maybe quickly stop coffee shop. I have something to finalize. That's it. That's my plan after work today. Just normal day. It's quiet. It's like neighborhood. Nothing much to see. And it's a weekdays. Like Thursday. Wow, today is just heavy raining, and I need to still go more, maybe left 150. Oh damn, man, it's not easy. I'm holding camera, my one hand grabbing umbrella. Anyway, I'm just struggling recording the video. It's not that easy, but it's okay. I can do it. Why not? It's just something like my passion. my YouTube channel. Now by our work, subscribe to my channel. We are almost on the way to 2K. Yeah. It is just like perfect day, like normal day. Yeah, weather is good today, man. Rainy. So this is the how Seoul look like in rainy days. Oh, this yellow car right there, man. Wow, beautiful car. It's a Ferrari, right? It's a Ferrari, man. Oh. So it's normal day. After bank, like I said, I will be at coffee shop. I'm gonna work at coffee shop for a short time to wait if when it's gonna stop or not. If rain is gonna stop, or probably I'm going to for shooting video in somewhere like Myeongdong today, because the last time I visited Myeongdong, probably 1 month ago now. Yeah, I always go there like every month, like one time every month. So I go onto a month. Probably I will be in Myeongdong today if rain is gonna stop. Yeah. Keep walking, man. I'm already wet, man. It's raining, there is no choice. I'm already wet. Let's do it fast. Oh, there's like a lot of traffic, man. There are too many cars. Here's a Hyundai car store, man. Hyundai car store. Wow, look at this car. It's a recently brand new. It's beautiful, man. Here's a Hyundai car store. Hyundai car store is actually everywhere in Seoul, you know. Even like other city of Korea, like Kia, Hyundai, they have everywhere, you know. Anywhere you can get, you know, if you want to buy a brand new car, you know, you can just visit shop really quick. So it's pretty everywhere. I still Imperial Mega Shop. I need to go more. I'm sure I'm pretty close. Almost pretty close, man. Wow. Tucson car, Hyundai, Kia K8. All right, here's the bank. Here's the bank I'm supposed to come.